like shocking, seeing, reflexes, touching, grasping, and so on. This involves combination of motor skill, then mental schema, that is cognitive activity or mental activity developed in childhood. For example, it involves the strategy of classifying objects by size, shape, and color. These schema are changed, enlarged, and made more sophisticated on its structure through adaptation, that is known as cognitive functioning. Cognitive functioning means adaptation of the environment through the process of assimilation and accommodation. Assimilation. Assimilation refers to a kind of matching between the already existing cognitive structure and environmental needs as they arise. The process of incorporating new information into our previously existing schema is known as assimilation. Assimilation simply means taking in or incorporating new experiences and fits into the existing schema. It takes place when we use our existing schema to make sense of the events in our world. Assimilation involves trying to understand something new by fitting it into what already we know. Then accommodation. Accommodation means a change or modification in a person's concepts or strategy because of the new information that has been assimilated. Accommodation occurs when we must change existing schemas to respond to a new situation. Accommodation is simply it is the process by which one's thought pattern are modified in order to fit him or her into the environment. Here, with this example, we can distinguish what is assimilation and accommodation. In this way, assimilation is the process of incorporating new information into our existing schema, whereas accommodation is the process of modification of existing schema with a new situation. Then the cognitive structure is built up with schema, changes from one developmental stage to another by the process of equilibration, means maintaining balance between the child and his changing environment. Equilibration is the process or act of balancing of new information with old knowledge or schema. Equilibrium occurs